Hi, I'm Paula Doyle, and today I'm going to talk to you about penny rugs, which are another thing that I love to do. Now, penny rugs originated in the times of the Civil War, and women used to make rugs to go onto furniture and onto beds out of old woolen blankets and uniforms from soldiers. The reason that they're called penny rugs, like this one here, is because they used to use pennies as the templates. You could do Christmas tree decorations. This is an iPad cover that I've made. And then here's a little penny rug with a cat, and I believe the pattern for that will be available. This one here is some flowers. So they were all rather primitive looking patterns. These are some of the patterns that I've drawn up.